What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Sauce Got AP Gang in the building, and we back on AP Whips. Yes, we are back in it. Raw dog in effect with AP Whips. I got my girl Imani, Princess Imani APL right here, and I'm gonna introduce y'all.
Channel, both of mine.
Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna put the links down below. We in something new, something different. So y'all stay tuned for the video. We gonna get hot with this one. Yo, what it is, what's going on, YouTube? Y'all already know who it is. It is your boy, none other than Sauce Got AP Gang up in the building, man. And yes, we back at it again with another video. Man, yo, check it out. I know I've been away from AP for a minute. It's been a while. A lot has changed over here at AP because I've been over there focused on my gaming channel. So, you know, it's been a lot going on with the boy, you know. Got some vehicles, lost some vehicles. Sugar gone, y'all. Yeah, Sugar gone. The Durango, the Dodge Durango I had, yeah, she's gone. She had some complicated problems that came up, and get in there. Get in there. Sorry about that, y'all. Had a little minor mishap. My dog barking at the neighbor. But yeah, Sugar gone. She had some, like I said, she had some complicated problems wrong with her. I did get a Buick LaCrosse, 2013 Buick LaCrosse. You know, I didn't throw it up on the channel because I figured, you know, it's not one of them vehicles that catches the eye or mesmerizes or anything like that. But my wife got it right now, so I can't even show it to y'all. But in the beginning of the video, I told y'all your boy did grab something. I did grab something. I grabbed something a little hotter, a little nicer, a little decenter, a little faster too. Go ahead and let y'all hear it. Heard it? Let y'all hear it. It's that little beat. I'm gonna show y'all a word. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Oh, now y'all trying to figure out what it is, right? Trying to figure out what it is. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all another little word. Y'all saw it. Yeah, your boy. I think I really did the big one. This one, I think I really did. So, without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and hear it. We always gotta do the cold start. Always. Nasty. Yes, nasty. Oh, I'm probably gonna give away exactly what she is just by sitting in it. But as y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all a better view. Yes, sir. I mean, if it's on the radio, y'all might as well listen to it. Bam. That's what she is. I'm sitting in a 2022 Dodge Charger RT. When I tell this bad boy get up, it gets up. It's more faster and stronger than my RT Durango was. I don't know, maybe that could be something that they added to it, because my Durango was a 5.7 as well. This is actually, yeah, this is a 5.7 too. Let's pop this hood and see exactly what we're working with. See how it shut off once I pop the hood? I guess that's some sort of safety feature that it has. Ooh. Dang. Look at, check this engine out. 5.7 V8. Boy, this engine is dusty. Engine is dusty and dirty. That's that coolant you gotta get in there. No more of that green stuff. Gotta get that purple stuff, that Dex. Gotta clean that engine. Yeah, there it is, y'all. The 5.7 V8. Now the Durango had a V8 too. But like I said, I think this Charger has a little bit more torque to it. That white model, look at it. I took it to the car wash yesterday and I made sure them tires was on that yellow line. Yep. Give y'all a look at the side of. Yeah, I went with the white one. Yep. Yep. I like these rims. These rims decent. Well, they still not the Hellcat rims, but I like them. They could. It was decent. Yep, so she pretty look good. Decent. Keep it clean, keep it looking good and everything. But I got a surprise for y'all. Another surprise? What's more than a surprise in it? This actually not my car. It's not my car. I'm actually car sitting for my cousin. So he asked me, to watch the car for him and everything. Oh, I've been watching. Just car sitting for him while he over the road doing his thing on it with his trucking company. So once he done with that, he definitely gonna come pick his baby up. I ain't gonna say the next time I post a car on here, y'all will see me in something like a Scat Pack or a Hellcat. I'm not stopping until I get it. I apologize for taking so long with y'all, man, posting videos on here about cars, but I'm quite sure every content creator that does cars run into a snag and might have a little problem. So what we try to do is, pick ourselves up from it. But this is a 2022 T. Yep. I appreciate y'all for sliding through, checking out the channel, checking out the videos. I appreciate y'all for showing love. I appreciate y'all for showing love over to my Sauce God AP channel, my gaming channel. I appreciate y'all, for hanging out with me. But this is the 2022 Dodge Charger RT. And this might get low, it get crazy. My son want to race me in his Tesla. He got a Tesla, and he want to race me. I said, come on, let's race. Put that sport mode on. But yep, this is your boy signing off with Sauce God AP. Gang up in the building. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Like I always say, stay safe, stay smooth, stay blessed.